What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can see your incognito mode history in your Google Chrome. So let's jump into the video. So what you need to do, first you have to go to your Google Chrome browser. After going history, you have to click on the search or type URL. Then you have to type a URL just like this. I'm going to paste this. You can copy it from my description, otherwise you can manually type it: chrome dot slash slash chrome slash urls slash. You have to type this and go to this website. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you, so that you can see your incognito modes history on your Google Chrome. So after typing, so you have to go to click on go. After going to on this website, you have to find the option that calls history, Chrome history. Here is this is the option that we are looking for. You have to click on Chrome history option just like this. After clicking on Chrome history, here you can see this is my incognito Chrome history on my Google Chrome. So this is how you can see your incognito tabs history in your Google Chrome browser. If you want to delete those, you can click on clear browsing data. You have to click on this. Then here you can see, if you click on clear data, the history will be deleted. So I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.